around here.
I'm so glad we finally got to hang out with each other. After the Eddie Mr. Hanky poster.
That's boring. You're boring, everybody. Quit boring everyone.
Oh my God, is he okay? Yeah, he's gonna be fine.
Guys, let's get out of here before something else happens.
Few inches later.
And the fuck? Dead.
What's wrong with you? You're not my friend anymore.
This I'm out.
Dude, look what you did to Leno. You made her leave because you and your stupid friend killed that fish.
So could you catch the fish instead of killing them?
You a little like a kid. No!
You be cast out hit you when you kill the fish.
Come on.
Fine.
Boring. In. In. In.
Screw you.
In.
I'm on my way, I'm on my way.
Wait, what? Will you shut up? I am dead.
I got gadgets and gizmos aplenty.
Oh my God, you killed Claire Crosby.
You killed me! Guys, what the hell did I just say?
Bye, guys.
We told you to not kill the fish, but you did it anyway.
So for the last time, can you catch the fish instead of killing them?
Oh.
Catch the fish right now or else we will kill you.
Oh, come on!
I'm dying. Help me.
Guys, I'm really sorry about what happened today. Now we have to stand up to our friends because they keep on murdering the fish.
But how are we going to do this?
Guys, I think I have a plan. Attention all fishy friends, get over here now.
Damn, nature, you're scary.
Okay guys, we have to do something about our two friends. They are killing all the other fish.
Wait, what?
And we need your help to stop them.
Come on, guys, let's go stop our friends from killing the fish.
Two kids gone die tonight. What the is that?
We're not going to let you kill the fish anymore.
You be catch if you kill the fish, our boat plane will be ruined. So release the fish right now or else all the fishes will attack you.
No.
Alright, that's it.
Get him off.
Ah! God damn it!
In.
3 days later.
Isaac can't believe we went on a fishing trip.
We had a long day out, so now we have to go home and sleep. Guys, where's that sound coming from?
I don't even know.